Is this thing on? I don't know what that button does. Hello world. Hi you guys. I know I look ratchet, but let's be real. This is how we all get ready, right? Tell me it's not just me that gets ready looking busted like a hot mess. I'm sorry if I sound congested. I am. I got a little slight sinus infection, but we're working on it. We on a course of antibiotics. We trying to get our bodies back right, you know what I'm saying? I take Carmex. Y'all know I live by this stuff, and I just moisturize my lips. And really, I kind of over moisturize because by the time I get to them, my lips will have drank all the Carmex up. Get them real good. Yeah. I like to do my brows first because I feel like the brows give me a better picture. You know how they say the brow is the frame of the face? So I like to start with the brows because it gives me a frame. And it's crazy because I just did these. I just did them and they're already growing back in. So annoying. But ain't nothing a little concealer can't fix. What is that? Y'all, what is that? Why? Damn. It's a little weird being on my phone too because the camera's there, but the screen is here, so I'm kind of distracted. I'm gonna use this NYX micro brow pencil. Y'all have seen me do this a few times so far. Usually what I do is I'll use an angled brush with eyeshadow to do my brows, but this time I'm using a pencil. And I like using the pencil because it's so thin and it gets detail. I'm using it for a reason today because I want a bushier brow, and this is gonna give me the bushy strokes that I need. Once you outline under the brow like that, you can actually take your pencil and make flicking motions upwards. And with this, you can take your time. It's no rush, unless you're in an actual rush. I hope your man ain't rushing you. Isn't that the worst? When the guys rush you, it's like, listen, you know that it takes me 2.5 hours to do my makeup. You better tell me the event is at 2, because I need to be ready. Cool thing about bushy brows is they do not have to be perfect. You just have to have some sort of shape. You see how it's kind of coming out now that it has a shape? So even though it's bushy at the top, it still has a shape. Like, you see how it's a little more filled in here? It's a little more angular than this one. I actually dig it. I can dig it. I swear, I be saying I can dig it, like I can bring it back in style. Like, I'm pretty sure it won't come back in style anytime soon. I feel like that's an era I should have been in. I should have been somewhere in the 70s, rocking it out with my little fro. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but I swear, one side always comes out better than the other. Like, this side, my left side, perfect, pristine. All of that. My right side, a hot mess. Man, why do I sound like a... I'm so sorry. I sound terrible. I do not sound like this in real life. Do not at me. Do not do not quote me. Boop, 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 boop. Yes. So your girl subscribed to Boxy Charm, and I am super excited for this. It's my first one. Yay me! Here is the box. So it comes like this gold digger box. Haha. Ooh. 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 Hold up. So we get some brushes in here. I needed some of those. Oh, these are cute. So we get some lashes. Eyeliner. Oh my. I've been wanting to try these forever, but it's so expensive. Oh my God. Y'all, I'm using this tonight. My goal was to use these tonight, but I'm definitely using this tonight, y'all. I'm so excited. The Gradios palette. Nice packaging, very, very cute. Oh, y'all, don't think I'm weird for smelling the eyeshadow. Sometimes the eyeshadows have like this cupcakey, cake sweet kind of smell, like sugar. And so I wanted to know if this one had, don't judge me. Don't judge me. Anyways, this is the palette. Isn't it pretty? We've got brushes here, and they are detail brushes. Cool thing about detail brushes is they get the color exactly where you want it. None of that messy stuff. Just buff it out real good till it becomes sticky. That's what you do. You buff it till it becomes sticky. And I am popping it. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh, so pretty. So basically in the spaces where it's like the edge of your cornea. So basically cornea, edge of the eye, edge of the colorful part of your eye, not the white, the part where the white and the black meet. So you basically put the color from there to the outer corner, and then from the other side to the inner corner. And that's the key to making it look like a halo, you know? I keep forgetting the camera's over here. For somebody who's had acting training and all this stuff, you would think I'd get this stuff right? To be honest with you ladies, this cinnamon color is probably one of the best colors that I've come across for my skin tone. That right there, the bee's knees, is the bomb. Boxy 121 mini tapered brush. And I want to use it because it's nice and small and dense, but it is also kind of like fluffy, like it still moves. So like I can still blend with this brush if I needed to. But it's gonna put the color exactly where I want the color to be, except instead of a bigger brush, where the bigger brush is gonna put the color everywhere, this brush is gonna put it exactly where you put it. Like I said, you're basically making a circle, like a half circle, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. That little space in the middle. So it's like really buffed out, and then this one's like, you know. Whoa. I want this to be a very smoky halo situation. You know what I'm talking about? You know, you from Houston when all the dudes be like, you know what I'm talking about? That's Houston. I'm blending and more blending and more blending, y'all. This is the story of my life. So now we get to play with this. One more. Okay, maybe one more. One more? Maybe? Oh, I kind of screwed that up a little bit, didn't I? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, man. And like, the damn glitter is staying in one spot. It's not budging, it's not moving. No.
Where is it?
Upstairs.
Dinner order?
No. I fucked up a little bit. Oh! Oh yeah. Woo. Pop the Molly, I'm sweating. Nothing, I'm a dork. That's what I'm laughing at. A secret. If you want your brows to look bushier and longer, you see the difference between this brow and that brow? Mascara. Yes, I said it. Mascara on your eyebrows. It's crazy, but what you do is you take basically all of the mascara off until there's only a tiny bit left on the brush, and then you gently brush your eyebrow hairs. Excuse my boyfriend in the background with his loud football game. This is probably by far my least favorite part of doing makeup still to this day, because I can never really get it 100% right. I always either wait till the glue is entirely too dry or don't wait long enough and the glue is still wet. So we're gonna see how this goes today. Oh my, these lashes are pretty. They're not on there 100% perfect, but you know what, you guys? We're not aiming for perfection. We're aiming for almost perfection. You understand? So it's almost perfect. So it's perfect. For any of y'all who did not know, y'all probably don't know this about me anyways, but I'm left-handed. So anything with my right hand is just, or my right side is just botched. Like it's not even cool. It's not even fair, really. Well, I can't even say that because I learned how to shoot a basketball with my right hand. So I can't shoot a basketball with my left hand, but I can shoot a basketball with my right. It's kind of weird.